Alright guys, welcome back. So today we are going to want to um, practice a little bit of problems dealing with the distance formula, okay? So let's go ahead and go through an example problem for you guys, okay? So let's say we had a problem that asks us to find the distance between um, this point, so let's say we have 8 and -3, and 5 and 2. All right, cool. So if you do want to find the distance between any 2 points, remember we can use something called the distance formula, right? So that formula is equal to the square root of, oops, I'm sorry, it's all crooked. Um, what was it, x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared as well. Okay, and so pretty much you just got to go in and find out what your x1, your x1 and your x2 are, and your y2 and your y1. Okay, so let's go ahead and um, do this. Oops. So let's say we had let's just call this one x1. We'll call this y1, x2, y2. Okay. So from here, all we're going to do is just plug in our values. So our distance will be equal to the square root of x2, which in this case is 5 minus 8, all right, squared, plus, what was it, 2 minus a -3 squared. So if we do a little bit of simplification, we'll get 5 minus 8 is going to give us -3 squared plus, so here, be careful here because we do have a negative, so this will end up turning into 2 plus 3, right? So 2 plus 3 squared. Let me just go a little faster here. So -3 squared would give us 9, and this would end up turning into 5, so 5 squared would be 25, right? So then the answer in this case would end up being the square root of 34, okay? And remember, I do prefer you guys to leave them in square root form, so make sure you guys do um, leave it like this, okay? So don't round it if you put it in a calculator, okay? And that's pretty much it. If you want to find the distance between 2 points, that's pretty much all you got to do. Just learn how to use this equation, learn how to name your x's and your y's, and plug them in and just go from there. I think the only thing you guys got to be careful with is these double negatives right here. So if you ever have double negatives, that's the thing to watch out for. Okay? Awesome. Uh, we'll see you guys next time. And if you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll go ahead and answer those for you. Okay? All right. Peace out.